Okay, it's test time for the Valiant. I've installed a nice new set of 3B28 rectifiers, changed the 18K resistor in the VFO, verified other tubes are good, the radio is ready for a run. Well, here's that barn find Johnson Valiant transmitter. I'm getting ready to test it after replacement of power supply caps and a few bad tubes. So first, check our grid. Plenty of grid drive. We do have push to talk installed. There's my plate, putting out about 100 watts. And there is my static modulator current, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take a listen on the R2000. LL 1, 2, 3, 4. LL 1, 2. Getting a little feedback. So I'll move away from that R2000 so we don't get so much feedback. LL 1, 2, 3, 4. LON6TLU testing the Johnson Valiant. The old dusty radio lives again.